Check out our view from Grants Pass. Beautiful fall color. We're seeing a lot of either near peak or peak fall color this week in Southern Oregon, Northern California. But enjoy the fall color while you can, because it does look like a series of storm systems and gusty winds will likely get us past peak over the next couple of weeks. It's going to be a very unsettled stretch for us right through this weekend and into next week. Currently 59 degrees in Grants Pass. We are cooler behind the storm system that worked through late yesterday and this morning. We're only at 49 in Klamath Falls, 54 in Montague, and 59 in Grants Pass, as you saw, and 56 currently in Medford. These temperatures well below average. Our average high right now in the Rogue Valley, the Medford area, up to around 68 degrees. So we will get maybe a little bit closer to that coming up on Thursday, but in the meantime, only a little bit milder for tomorrow. Out ahead of the next storm system, you can see the clouds from it off over the Pacific. Meanwhile, tonight, clouds will continue to break up, and that's going to set us up for a chillier night, down to the 20s for the east side, 30s in our west side valleys, lower 40s expected along the coast. Tomorrow, it will be a little bit warmer temperature-wise, still running below average in most spots. But winds are going to really pick up ahead of this next system. Eventually, rain starting to move in first along the coast later tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at all the wind advisories and even a high wind watch that has been issued for the coast. That's where we could see some gusts out of the south up to 60 miles per hour. But the Rogue Valley, Shasta Valley, and the east side all under an advisory where south and southeast winds could turn quite gusty later tomorrow and especially into tomorrow night. Here's a look at Stormcast as we head into your Tuesday. We'll start off dry, no worries about that in the morning heading off to work and school, but then winds will pick up through the afternoon into tomorrow evening, eventually the rain pushing in later in the day for Curry County and then also western portions of Siskiyou County. As this spreads inland tomorrow night, gusty winds in our west side valleys, that's going to limit the amount of rainfall. The highest precipitation amounts, coastal mountains, and southern portions of Siskiyou County, including the Mount Shasta area where you can see a lot of blue showing up. That's snow. Snow levels will drop to as low as 4,000 feet tomorrow night, but most of the accumulating snow looks to be above 5,000 feet. And you can see the shower activity really starting to dwindle by later in the day on Wednesday. So when it comes to snowfall, we'll see a little bit along the Cascades, not that much. Maybe an inch or two up towards Crater Lake, but that's about it. But we'll have to watch the Mount Shasta area, especially above 5,000 feet where we do expect some accumulating snow. The Mount Shasta Ski Park, probably looking at between about 3 to 6 inches of snow from this system. And when it comes to rainfall amounts, the highest totals, the coastal mountains, half an inch to even over an inch of rain is possible. But for our west side valleys, the Rogue Valley, the Shasta Valley especially, maybe a few hundredths of an inch, but more than likely staying less than a tenth of an inch. Also doesn't look like much east of the Cascades. So the wet weather, though, will continue. You can see more showers likely there on Wednesday with this system, a break, and then we'll get some more wet weather to push into the Rogue Valley, mainly late Thursday, especially Thursday night into Friday. So very unsettled, the 7-day for the coast. We'll see rounds of rain. Some of that rain looks pretty heavy for the coast Thursday into Friday. Northern California, gusty winds the next couple of days, rain and higher elevation snow. The Klamath Basin, some very unsettled weather through the rest of the week. Temperatures staying on the cool side, very fall-like as well. And then up into the Cascades and the Siskiyous, very unsettled with more rain and higher elevation snow. And the Rogue Valley. Temperatures staying on the cooler side with more rounds of rain, not only through the work week, but also through this weekend.
The CDC has an alarming new study